Fucker's up there. Yeah, that one definitely needed to come out.
Yeah, I see them at Walmart, what you got. They, you know what I mean? Little things like that. They're good to have. Little small cameras. Yeah, I think I seen one.
Yeah, it's got an awesome.
Like that.
It's got an awesome zoom on it.
It was like 20 bucks, 25 bucks.
Nah, this one was like 100.
Oh yeah.
It's got a touch screen and shit on it.
Oh okay. Oh, you need a tripod.
I have one in my trunk.
You got more shakes in yours. Cold out here. Oh, sweet.
Look at that. Stuck that bitch. I got it. I got it falling and sticking.
Every time he tops out a tree, it seems like he fucking spears it.
What are you doing planting trees for? Dude, I got that on camera. That's funny.
Does it record sound too?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's got a mic and shit on it.
Ty Loco. That's his name. Ty Loco.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's fucking monster stuff though.
That son of a bitch is tall. What are they gonna do with it now? You gonna leave it that tall? Holy shit. The fuck are they gonna do with it? They got a gin line. Oh, they do. I think I see one. Yep, there it is. Fuck, I gotta put my hood up. Fucking little bald head's freezing. What's he doing? Look at him jerking off.
Yeah, you get it, buddy.
Do what you gotta do.
Ty Loco.
Get your rocks off.
He ran out of rope.
Did he slip out?
I'm pretty sure he
Yeah,
did.
it looks like a
I see
tree.
the tail of his rope hanging.
Fucking goofball.
Oh, Loco.
Let's go.